Cool.
Break time.
Fucking ain't right.
You guys are lifesavers.
Fuck.
I was jamming until that, dude. I'll be honest, I don't fall a lot. That was the worst fall I've probably taken in 4 years. I literally...
Damn, what happened? You just slipped right here?
I was coming in hot, just pulled in the clutch, back brake split out, and out of gas. And...
Caught too much.
How'd you see him?
It just happened he was waving.
There's no, I don't think I'd be able to get that out by myself.
Fuck no.
Fuck no.
I think it took a lot of effort with the four of us.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome, man.
So I think I saw you guys on Jay's way, right?
We're parked right there.
Right, yeah. Yeah.
And,
I was at the front. I saw you hit the trail.
I'm not worried about my bike. I just want to make sure I'm okay, but
No,
I feel like I would be.
You would absolutely know it.
I don't think I got a concussion either. I don't feel anything.
no, it
You
should
have
be
a
good.
headache a little bit already. A little disoriented. You seem pretty clear. You know what day it is, right?
Yeah. It's Saturday and my wife's gonna be mad when I get home.
How was your day? It was great.
I don't even think I fucked on my bike either.
Nothing happened to it.
No, I'm telling you, those bushes, I think, saved everything.
Yeah, no,
You and the bike.
one time I lost my brakes. They were leaking oil. And same thing, I just went all the way down there. I'm like, holy.
Fuck, that was scary, man. I'm telling you, I've never had a crash like that. I can't believe I fucking crashed.
You got lucky, man. Could have kept going down and down.
It was way worse. Steep ass hill. Once I saw what was going off, I mean, I've fallen a lot. The thing is, I don't usually ride, like, I ride tight, you know, like the troll trail and stuff, like, I was going pretty fast, and that's what's...
Slippery.
Slippery, and then it's not in some corners.
Yeah. No, and sometimes the bike just grabs it. I'm like, holy. Like it wants to pick up.
Are you guys riding together or no?
No. Like I said, I was just up at the top of the hill right there, seeing you take off. Gave you a little space, and then took off and I got fucking picked up. So whatever, I'm just cruising and sure thing checked out.
Fuck. It wouldn't have been that bad if I could grab the branches. The thing that sucked is like I had the branches and then it was just like a free fall, and then dude, you can see I landed like 10 feet down there.
Way down there. Way down there.
I want to know if I landed on my neck or my lower back. My ears hella bugging me.
The bushes, they're not even much or nothing.
No,
Just like,
no.
like you flew off.
That's why I was like, dude, how the hell did you get off? Looks.
I thought it was this dude.
Oh, no, I thought it was this guy. I'm like,
I thought it was him that he fucking fell on his bike, stood up here.
You came off right here.
like, what's his name?
Like this dude.
Yeah. The bike stayed up on the trail. He flew off like 5 feet, huh? Down the hill.
No, it's a fucking fall.
It is.
That's a fall. Because you can see the tire tracks right there.
Dude, I'm telling you, it was a straight free fall.
Yeah. No, it's
I landed on my back. That's how far.
15, 20 feet.
Really?
Oh, not that. From the peak right there, because you were down here.
So you fell from up there?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, you
Damn.
can see the tire track go.
Hey, you must have been in the air for a while.
I wasn't there. I felt like I was free falling. It was scary as fuck. I was like,
You're like,
Time
"Holy
slows down."
Shit, man. You
oh,
just.
fuck.
damn it, this is
I need to stop dirt bike riding on the way I was like,
Fuck.
Yeah, it's impressive.
that's why I fucking.
Ready? Okay.
I definitely invested in one of these. Like, I don't know how I landed it, but I just.
And I got two at home, and I don't use those things at all.
Oh,
Not even the cheapest.
You feel it when you ride?
I felt it flex when it just like. So I can only, it basically removes your motion, but it's my lower back would start. I think I landed my lower back so hard.
That's the only thing that's, because it's right underneath your backpack.
This is under, my chest protector is under my, or my neck brace is under my chest protector. But it removes the motion. So.
So you're all right then, huh?
I feel okay. I mean, I think I would know if I had a concussion.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That happens fast. Well, yeah, that happens fast.
Yeah.
You might be nauseous, and like I said, you would have a headache. Fucking wild.
At least we got it out, man.
Yep, absolutely. You
Thanks,
feel
guys.
good?
I feel good.
Okay. I don't want to leave you if you
I rode out of there, yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm just shooken up.
No doubt. Rightly so.
Damn.
That's fucking
That was crazy, bro.
Thanks, guys.
You're welcome, man.
Riding's dangerous.
Solo.
You forget about it.
You came by yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, especially solo.
That's what my wife. I mean, I ride by myself a lot.
Me too.
I'm just pissed because I consider myself a pretty good rider. I ride a lot, like almost, and just like I can't believe I fucking fell off this trail. But I'm not used to riding. These conditions are fucking soupy.
It's fucking slippery.
Yeah.
Almost a day or two early, I think, to get out here and be really nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fucking Saturday.
Yeah.
Trying to throw a leg, you know.
Yeah.
Right home, bro.
Okay.
All right, guys.
All right, bro.
I might just
Be
ride
safe,
out
bro.
with you guys just to make sure I'm fucking. How bad was it? I want to see how far it was.
You can see the divot all the way, you know. Yeah, right? Yeah, it's fucking.
Can is the worst place to fall?
Damn,
You know what? I
bro.
think you could have. This wasn't that bad getting you out. You know,
He
all
just
things considered.
from here. He
You
just.
could have gone down, you know.
That is
direction.
crazy, bro. Look at all that shit. He
Because
landed
this is
all the way over there. Dude, look at those rocks over there.
Yeah. What if I land on a rock?
Oh yeah. See, there's a
Fuck.
big rock down there.
That's about where you stopped right there. Those two big ass rocks.
Fuck, bro.
Not that clear.
Maybe just go back.
Take a little breather.
I'm done. I'm done.
Damn.
Fuck. I'm mad at myself now.
Huh?
Pinche lodoso.
Good. Ah, yeah. You